Today I'm going to show you how to make corn in a cup. Your ingredients, you're going to need butter, any kind of butter, 2 spoons, cheese, tahini, pre-cut corn, mayonnaise, and a cup. Those are all the ingredients that you need. First step is grab your cup and get your pre-cut corn. Add only half of the corn into the cup like so. The next ingredient is butter. Grab 1 scoop of butter, The next step is to grab mayonnaise. Just add 1 scoop or 2. Make sure your cheese is small pieces, not big pieces. Get your cheese. You can add how much cheese you want, but grab your tahini. You can add how much you want, or you could just skip this step if you really don't like spice. Now get your leftover corn and put it in the cup. Next, grab butter, just a little bit this time, not a lot, because we're just gonna grab your mayonnaise. Just add a little bit. Like I already said, we're only doing the same, but get your shredded up cheese and just add a little bit tahini and repeat the same thing, but this time we're gonna add a lot because we like spicy corn. Now we mix it up. Just be careful it doesn't fly off the cup. This is how it looks. Now we're gonna try it. Very good. Try this and make this right now at home. Easy products and everything at home. Go try it.